is this, do you think, beginning of an end? There are a lot of senior players. Ravichandran Ashwin in that press conference looked at Rohit Sharma and said, "We have quite a few OGs in their team." That was, I won't say he was hinting towards something, but that was a sign that there are players who are in the list of retiring now. We are in that transition phase. Do you think this can act as a trigger for other senior players?
बिल्कुल, बस कोई बीच सीरीज में कोई ना करे, राइट? बट वी डिस्कस दिस टू डेथ ऑन क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट यार. देखो, इफ रोहित शर्मा एंड विराट कोहली, लेट्स वी टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज टू, और कोई तो आसपास नहीं है. पुजारा को आपने अपने साइड लाइन कर दिया.
Jadeja?
Jadeja is an interesting one, but I still think because he's so fit, right? Yeah. And he's still a starter overseas. I think they probably played, the team management probably played Ashwin because of पर्थ में जो हुआ था. चल, अश्विन अन्ना को मेलबर्न देते. ऐसे देखा जाए तो जडेजा इज स्टिल, he starts more games. इंग्लैंड में 5 टेस्ट मैचेस जो अश्विन बाहर बैठे, जड्डू था वहां पे, एंड आई एम नॉट टू वरीड अबाउट इट. बॉलिंग थोड़ा एरेटिक हो चुका है, बट ही स्टिल गन विद द बैट, एंड आई थिंक दैट इनिंग्स इन ब्रिस्बेन ऑफ 77 इट शोड. अगर हम सिर्फ विराट कोहली, ऑल्सो जडेजा इज नॉट बीन बैड, नो, ही इज नॉट एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. ये विराट कोहली वाला लीन फेज नहीं आया कि 3 साल से 5 विकेट हॉल नहीं लिया, या रोहित शर्मा का तो बुरे दिन आ गए. If we look at purely Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, and if they, let's say they don't score runs in Melbourne, they don't score runs in Sydney, और इंडिया हार जाती है सीरीज, फाइनल तो अपना लॉर्ड्स वाला गया. वही ना कि do they have it in them to, ईगो वाली बात, इनका ईगो तो भी होगा. अगर अश्विन का ईगो, इनका ईगो ज्यादा है, do they want to drag themselves in poor red ball form to England, जहां पे 5 टेस्ट मैचेस है? एशेज के तरह ये इंग्लैंड वाले आपको पार्टा विकेट वहां नहीं देंगे. दे विल गिव यू डिसेंट विकेट्स, क्योंकि इनका बैस बॉल भी फ्रैंकली बैटिंग पे चलता है. यू लुक एट गस एटकिंसन, यू लुक एट और जो जॉश टंग, और ये जितने भी इनके फास्ट, अब नया आया ब्राइडन कार्स. विराट कोहली निकिंग ऑफ फॉर 2 years in a row. Does he want to face 4 fast bowlers? Does Rohit command a place in the team? Does Rohit open in England? चलिए, पिछले बार तो 100 मार चुके हैं, पिछले बार को 3 साल हो गए. सो करंट फॉर्म को देखे अगर अगले साल कहीं और होता ये 5 टेस्ट सीरीज, मैं कहता ये जाएंगे, बट ओनली बिकॉज इंग्लैंड वेयर दे विल प्रोबब्ली स्ट्रगल एज मच इफ नॉट मोर देन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. एटलीस्ट वन मोर रिटायरमेंट तो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर लो अगले 1 महीने में.
बट लेट्स से these 2 test matches don't go well for both Kohli and Rohit. Can India afford to let go of both of them together in one go?
करना पड़ेगा ना, करना पड़ेगा. Between the two, you'll still pick Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Any day, right? For fitness, for drive. Number 4 पे Rohit Sharma on current form means the last 3-4 test matches, 6 test matches, averaging 11.
Yeah.
किस basis पर?
Yeah.
Many players have come back from averaging 11 to get 100. Steve Smith was struggling. Can Rohit Sharma right now do a Steve Smith? I have doubts. I would love to see him do it. But अगर run नहीं आते ना, then you're looking at 6 months without test cricket.
Yeah. I think Rohit is chasing that 2027 ODI World Cup, and for that he won't risk retirement even in test, because that means you are taking yourself away from the game, and that makes your case weaker for the ODI World Cup. That is what I personally believe. Do you think if not retirement, Rohit can say, I'll not lead the side here, I'll just play? Although does he have a place just as pure batter in the team?
Not on form, no? Not on form. अगर आप रोहित शर्मा हो, अगर आप कैप्टन नहीं हो, इस बेसिस पर 11 की औसत 6 टेस्ट मैच, जिसमें से 4 घर पे आए, राइट?
या
कि 5
3 5
5 ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आपने स्ट्रगल किया, कोई बात नहीं, आपको छूट मिल जाएगी. घर पे नहीं चले आप 5 टेस्ट मैच से, मुश्किल है. वॉच द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी वेरी केयरफुली. बंदा अगर वहां चले गया, एंड ही शुड ना, मैचेस आर ओवर, मैचेस आर गोना बी इन दुबई
मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. नथिंग ऑफ
रोहित मार चुका है बहुत रन, जहां भी हो. इट वोंट बी टफ कंडीशन. रोहित द वन डे, आई डोंट थिंक रोहित द वन डे बैट्समैन विल बी अफेक्टेड, नॉट बिकॉज द कलर ऑफ द बॉल चेंजेस, इट्स जस्ट he looks different in white ball cricket. He'll be fine. I think he can leave test cricket and he can still aspire to be at the 27 World Cup. I think so.
Does Virat have one more WTC cycle in him?
नहीं. On current form.
On fitness he has.
Fitness है.
But with Virat, my case has always been, as I have always said, it's not about physical fitness, it's about mental fitness. He has been playing continuously. There was a time when he was lifting the team alone on his shoulders for those 2015 to 2018 phase, and I look at him and I see a mentally exhausted guy. Even though he says he's refreshed after taking a break and everything, he looks like a tired guy. वो face पे वो हम कहते हैं aggression चला गया. I believe he's tired. He's just so tired. Physically he's fit. He'll be the fastest guy in the team still. But mentally, do you think he can play like on physical fitness? He can play till 40, 41. But do you think his mental phase or his mental exhaustion will play a part and he'll retire way before he should?
Again, if we're talking about 27 ODI World Cup in South Africa being the final push for him, I can see him playing that.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वनडे में इतना फॉर्म खराब नहीं है. वर्ल्ड कप तो ये ग्रेट वर्ल्ड कप के बाद तीन
IPL, he had a good IPL.
नहीं, I'm talking about one day cricket. He only played those 3 matches in Sri Lanka. Those were tough tracks. The ball was doing, I think 3 times he was ABW or bowled.
Yeah.
South Africa में वो condition नहीं बनी. South Africa is the best place for him to go and find some form. But unfortunately, there's still two plus years.
Yeah.
I don't see him in 2027 at the age of 38 playing. And I think the World Cup comes after the WTC cycle या उसके पहले आएगा.
After, I believe.
तो आप कह रहे हो कि 2 साल WTC खेलना पड़ेगा, उस बीच खिलाना random one day. He'll have to pick and choose one day tournaments.
We rarely play any one
But
day.
I'm saying he won't be able to do IPL plus 2 years of Test cricket and a World Cup. He'll have to take the call, and I'm saying let him play the One Day World Cup. Give him the final chance to win it. No.
He has often said Test cricket will always be my priority, and I will he leave Test cricket at the last? And I don't think he'll go, and BCCI will let him go without a farewell. We have talked about farewells.
No, he will get a farewell. But again, you're looking at फिर तो he'll go to England, and what if he see, look, his average is dipped, no?
Yeah.
Does he want to go to England? Again, he can go to England and score 600 runs.
Yeah.
Possible है, विराट कोहली है. But अगर नहीं चला, किस मुंह से farewell? Let's just be negative for a little bit longer. Let's say he had a terrible time in Melbourne and Sydney. 6 months down the line, he goes to England and he has a terrible series.
Yeah.
Fans की आवाज और बढ़ गई. Media की आवाज और बढ़. He's losing goodwill and faith. Farewell. लाख लोग तो देखने आएंगे. But imagine he averages 20 in 5 tests in England, and the writing's on the wall. क्या फायदा उस farewell का? I don't know who's coming in October, but I know October is the next home test match.
Yeah.
10 महीने बाद, and if he scores runs, then you won't give him farewell. तो farewell का idea ही आता है जब खत्म है player ना.
Yeah.
और जब player खत्म है, कौन सा farewell? It's a tough one, and fans are always going to be divided on this.
I would love to know what the fans think about this. Do write to us in the comment section down below.